Hello, everybody. I'm looking at a different um, topic today, somewhat related to the Vegas incident at the beginning of the month. Today's October 22nd. Now, we keep hearing about the Mandalay Bay CEO, MGM Grant, CEO selling 80% of his stocks prior to the weekend, right? The events that happened that weekend. Now, that sounds to me like insiders trading, right? So he knew in advance something was going to happen. Seeing the stocks, his stock drop in the future the following week, he wanted to take advantage of it, sell it at a higher price, and not register a loss, right? That's what insiders do when they have prior knowledge to some event. Of course, that's illegal here in this country, and Martha Stewart went to jail because she was accused of insiders trading. But guess when? 9/11. So why did Martha Stewart go to jail because of 9/11? She had insiders knowledge, and she sold, I think, she sold short some airline stocks. I forgot which ones. American Airline, probably. Okay, that's interesting, right? She was the only one going to jail for this stuff. Now, will the MGM Grand CEO go to jail because he sold most of his stock anyway, prior to the events in Vegas? It's anybody's guess. Okay, so I will present some charts of the MGM Grand stocks, and surprise, surprise, the company who's making the body scanners, right? We kept hearing about the OSI company, but you'll see what happened prior to the events and after. All right, so this story comes from CNBC on October 2nd. Okay, so after the shooting events in Vegas on Sunday, casino stocks fall. Okay, well, yeah, that's a given. People were expecting some bad things would happen to the casino, being sued and whatever, so losing money, right? That's no real news there. That's no surprise. What should be a surprise here is this fact. Let's see if we can get it. You heard people talk about the CEO selling 80% of his shares the day before. So I think that happened on the 29th. So let's look. Today is the 22nd of October. Look right here. Okay. See that big drop? That's a big drop, right? Before the shooting was on the news. Okay, so this had to be that Friday. Okay, so I guess they're right when they're saying there were some insiders selling there. Okay, of course, it kind of kept going down because these are just people, regular investors, being scared off, selling stocks and whatnot, right? Okay, now let's look at something else here. This is the company which is making those body scanners. Okay, vertically integrated designer manufacturer of specialized electronic systems and components for critical applications. Wow, that says a lot. Related services, diversified markets include homeland security, healthcare, defense, and aerospace. Okay, great. Now let's see what happened here. So all of a sudden it went up the days before. So somebody had information there too, okay, that the stock might go up. So before the events happen, because if you buy here, Monday or Tuesday, whatever, you already missed the train there, okay? So you got to buy when you have advanced knowledge as an insider information, right? You got to buy before things happen so you can get a really nice profit here. So it was what, around $85 per share. Let's take an average right here, 95. So $10 per share more, okay, in 10 days. That's a really nice profit. So let's look at where the money is in order to find out who's behind this stuff.